Alright, so Amisha, light up the candle. And of course, we'll be requesting our celebrant to make a wish and take a moment to pray all our wishes be grant. Alright. Or be granted. Of course, could be requesting happy birthday song coming from
Ito yung pinaka-importante.
Yes.
Kasi hindi magiging kompleto ang birthday mo kung wala kang cake.
Tama.
Diba?
Okay, and of course, samahan nyo naman yung ating sound system para...
Samahan nyo naman kami, sabay-sabay po tayong umawit, ha? Thank you.